wonder if your husband spends a lot of time with you, because most of the time, if I go to bed in the nighttime and wake up next day, leaving Europe, and it's a big time for me, all I find him, he's online. He is spending like 3-4 hours in here, 7-6 hours, and I'm thinking, hello, where's your kid? Where's your wife? And I don't see him with you most of the time. So that's why I asked the question. I meant nothing about it.
Abay, waxaas dhib ma lahan. That's not a hard question. That's easy question. But now you're sitting down over here right now, right? Can I ask you like why you're not spending time with your husband? If I
He's not
ask you that
here.
question, huh?
He's not here. I will meet you.
Okay. My wife works. You know, she goes to work, and I work inside the house remotely. So when she's not here, I don't have anything to do. I can go live and I can talk to my peers. You know. So Abay, and like waxaa su-aasha weydiisay waa su-aal personal familkayga ah. I was not
You could have said
expecting you to ask
personal.
me
You don't
that
want
kind of
to answer. You
question.
don't get fed like how it's
No,
personal.
I'm not going defense about man. We're not the like I cannot go that dialogue with you. Kayra kurja.
Listen. Ani AJ wuxuu uu happy ku yahay in ani iyo adi aanan wada hadlin, ma fahante? Because the way you go in the business for the family, I don't even like it, ma fahante?
Yeah.
Madaxa noo gelisid anaga. Acuudu billah. Iga firi. Adiga nin caddaana ma ku qabaa horta? Yes or no? Yeah?
Nin cadaan may.
Maxaa ku qabaa adiga?
Waxbay ma qabaan ba.
Nin ajnabiya ku qabo adoo topicyada wiilasha Soomaaliyeed ka hadlaya ani waa ku arkay.
Oh, may kabahad iga daa.
No. Businesskaaga iyo afaarahaaga iyo gurigaaga iyo noloshaada saa u wadatid ani ma ka hadlo, ma fahante?
Waa sax.
Abay macaanto waxyaabooyin waxaa jira aan laga hadlin. Wallaahi afka markaa ka soo tuurtay xaada ay kacda xitaa.
Waayo waxa lagu hadleed ku hadashaa AJ wada aragtay. Ma taasa
Maaha.
ku hadlay noqoto.
That was
Abay dhigayso.
waxay ahayd, yeah.
Dhigayso. Keligiis markuu yaho kaleeto hadii xitaa hadda su'aalooyin qaar waxaa jiro oo aan u baahnayn in inta la iska weydiiyo, because inta dad baa duubanaya, dad baa wax la baxaya.
Yes.
Abay marka
AJ.
listen. Ani AJ uu happy ku yahay in ani iyo adi aanan wada hadlin, ma fahante? Because the way you go in the business for the family, I don't even like it, ma fahante?
Yeah.
Have a wonderful night. Bye, man.
Abti libaan.
AJ. See? AJ, do you see that, guys?
Okay.
If that came off wrong, number one, I didn't mean by any wrong. I promise you, in the life of my children, I didn't mean any wrong by saying that, you know? Because I saw you here sitting and like not basically doing something. And then I just got curious to ask you, like, do you guys...
AJ, are you okay with this?
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
And that wasn't a good question. It wasn't personal. That's how you see it, but I didn't see that at first. But I had a talk with Asma afterwards, and now I understand where you guys coming from. So it's absolutely wrong from me. I absolutely take full responsibility of my actions, and I'm really sorry. And I want to apologize both to you guys. It came off absolutely wrong, and that's not what I meant.
I don't have any hard feelings.